Hi everyone, this is Mona Vasishtha from Cadnest Basvanagudi. Welcome to our Cadnest YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about thinking cool. Remember that people are your equals. When even a group of people is equal to you, if you're talking to a potential employer, a group of wealthy donors, a child, a stranger, the President of the United States, or an attractive guy or girl. For example, remember, they are neither better than you nor worse than you. They should be treated as you should be treated. Be respectful of other people, but expect that they will accept you as such. When someone is disrespectful to you, ignore them until they figure it out. Not as if you didn't hear your antagonist, but casually and conversationally disregard their remarks. There is a reason that they did not show respect towards you, or the person did not do what you asked of them. People may be rude to you because they are unhappy. Someone hurt them recently, you were disrespectful towards them, or because they were never taught the correct way to act around people, but always know it is for a reason. Be willing to find out what the reason is as long as you want them to respect you. Understand that some people won't get it. While it feels amazing to dazzle people with your quick wit, sometimes you will meet someone who just does not get you. They will look at you quizzically and ask you to clarify what you thought was a cuttingly observant pop culture reference. It doesn't matter. What's fascinating about humans is that they are so diverse. Senses of humor vary widely. If you're getting blank looks, just be polite, excuse yourself, and chronicle any embarrassments later in a stand up comedy routine. Have faith in your friends. They are a reason they hang around you. The personality characters you despise in yourself may be the very quirks they find endearingly. Let them decide instead of presenting an incomplete version of yourself to the world. If you want to be cool, then you have to believe that the people around you genuinely like you and find your relationship meaningful. Remember that it's not cool to hang out with people who think are cool. Just because you think it will make you cool by proxy, life does not work that way. Don't be afraid to be different, whether that means standing up for yourself, defending someone else, or taking interest in something that no one else does. Like playing an instrument, try to be different and stand out. The coolest people are the ones who occasionally break against the tide and make people question the status quo. Insecure people will at times become jealous of you. These people will try to get to you in an attempt to take the attention of you and bestow it upon themselves. The important thing to remember is not to smile in weakness. Just ignore them, not as if you didn't hear your antagonist, but casually and conversationally disregard their remarks. Be self aware. There is a difference between letting people judgments affect your self esteem and being aware of how you come off to others. What you are really doing is being aware of how you look from another person's perspective. In terms of physical appearance, be aware of food getting stuck in your teeth, bad breath, body, paper stuck to your shoe, etc. In terms of composure, be smiley, stand, sit up straight. It makes you look and feel more confident. Smile generously, be polite and considerate, etc. Definitely be aware of your body language at all times. Analyzing body language can be a useful tool in knowing how to present yourself. Knowing how you come off during school, during a soccer match, or at a party can help you have a sense of what people think of you and to adjust your actions accordingly. It doesn't mean that you have to change for you are. But if you're at a party, it's good to notice if you're completely dominating a conversation and even boring people, so you can back off a bit. Relax. Seriously, constantly telling yourself that you're not good at socializing creates anxieties that play on your mind the next time you converse with someone. You then focus on said anxieties, and the whole thing becomes one big cycle of self fulfillment. If you're always nervous about what can go wrong in a social situation, you won't be able to appreciate things that are going right. If you are nervous or anxious, other people will be able to tell and they will feed off your nervous energy, creating even more anxiety. Instead, be calm and make people feel like they are calmer in your presence and they will be drawn to you. It's okay to be freak out to a trusted friend if you need to once in a while. Just don't get a reputation for being a person who is always freaking out. With this, I'm completing my session here. Thank you.